G'day, I'm Rowan Taylor. I'm the owner and founder of Complete Fibreglass Pool Kits. In this video today, I'm going to step you through how the DIY process works. And before I do that though, I will say that anybody can provide you with a shell and equipment, but it's the information and the support that you receive after that initial purchase that makes all the difference between saving a good chunk of money on your project and loving the outcome versus maybe something you're a little bit disappointed with. Now, how does it work? Well, first up, you're going to get a fantastic shell and equipment from us. It can just be the shell if you like, it's completely up to you. And then we're going to give you the engineering details and the Australian Standards compliance documents that council want to see as part of your pool permit application. Now you can talk directly to council, or we can put you in touch with a private certifier who can manage that process for you and make things easy peasy. Next up then is installation. How do you get the pool in the ground? Well, there's a few different options there. You can do it as an owner builder. Now we can provide you with the course details of an online provider. It's very easy, that course. You don't have to be a trade base to do it, and it takes about 2 or 3 hours for most people, and it's really cheap as well. So as an owner builder, that basically means you can do the whole thing yourself, or you can organise trades to come in and do some of that work for you. It's completely up to you. Or we can usually put you in touch with installers that work with owner builders. So maybe you want some help with backfilling or bedding or something along those lines, then you can do that as well. Or maybe you want to be a lot more hands-off and you want someone to do the whole thing for you. So we can usually put you in touch with a licensed installer who will manage the whole job for you. But it's important to know you don't have to be a trade to be able to DIY your very own pool. We have all sorts of people who are doing their very own projects and they're loving it. Now, after that, the next part with installation is, well, what's the support and the information and the guidance that you're given? Well, we've got a full library of videos showing each stage of the installation process. It's got all the tips and tricks in there that installers have learnt over the years that make all the difference between a good outcome and a great outcome. And you can see the preview versions on our website, but the full-length versions are only available to our customers. Now, we also give you a 14-page tip sheet, which is very detailed about what goes where, and will answer 90% of your questions on materials and everything else. Plus, we're available 7 days a week for phone support. So if you're on a Sunday job and you're stuck and you need some guidance, give us a shout. We'll give you a call back, even if it is a Sunday. And during the week in business hours, we guarantee the phone will always be answered by a human. That way, you're going to get the answers you need quickly. None of this leaving a voicemail and then getting an answer 3 hours later when maybe it's a little bit too late. So as a dedicated DIY pool company, this is what we do every single day and we love it. And the feedback we get from our customers is that the quality of the equipment, the shell, is great, and the information and the support that we provide makes the process easy regardless of your background. So that's how it works in a nutshell. Next step from here, give us a call, tell us a bit about your project, what you're wanting to achieve. We'll work with you, point you in the right direction, and we'll answer as many questions as you can throw at us and see whether putting your very own pool in your backyard for thousands of dollars less as a DIY process is the right fit for you. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for your time.